Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now, unfortunately, I think I only have a SIM card for this, so I won't be able to do this with a SD card, but anyway, I'm going to show you where you would do that if you have one. So let's start off by popping out the tray, which is actually toolless, so I'm not sure why I grabbed this. You just need to have a strong fingernail to prop it out, like so. And on the tray you can see we have space, at least at the top, for our SIM card. So we're going to grab that one, place it like so. Make sure it's clipped in all the way. As you can see, it's laying flush on the tray and shouldn't be falling out if you flip it upside down. Now on the other side you have your SD card spot. Same as the SIM card, you just clip it in here and you're good to go. From there, insert it back into your device, and both of the cards should start working immediately, hence why it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin. And as you can see, that unlocks my SIM card. So that's about it. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.